Today, the first day, has been right aligned with what we expected. One, because we got confirmation a little bit late, coming through the minister and the ministry having to watch what was happening in December to confirm permission for opening in January. Some persons, especially those persons who are not online, may be receiving the notice just about now or by the end of this week, and I think that has affected the turnout today. We expect that once the word goes out in the community, more students will be attending. We do have a few students who really were not ready. So they don't have uniforms, they don't have shoes and some supplies and books. And we do know that there are some reservations there, especially because about 54% of our parents have been unemployed since April of last year. What we have done as a school is to maintain our focus on what's important, getting the children here. So we are quite open for once an application is made regarding uniforms for the students to wear PE uniforms or house jerseys along with jeans and come. Because we really are teaching you, the person, not your uniform. So we want to be open to that kind of possibility as well. We have started school with just our grades 11, 12, and 13 students. We are anticipating that the numbers will increase to around about 50% by next week. What we are doing is that we're still having some online classes, and the work from face-to-face is still posted online. Students are allowed to take their phones, they're allowed to take laptops and tablets, and some teachers permit students to actually record the face-to-face teaching sessions to make those available. We remain very flexible in terms of our blended modality. So all that we have done is that we've added face-to-face as an option to now make it 3 options or means of learning rather than having it just be 2, which would be the online and of course other distance methods like the print packages. We have projects that are also done to help to teach the students various concepts, but because that requires independent learning, we know that some children with limited reading ability, comprehension levels, proper supervision would not be able to access those. And then of course we have just around 300 students who have not logged into our online system. This is a population of 1,746. Several administrators and their boards and their faculty have made the decision to postpone the opening. We have made a decision to start within the 2 weeks when everybody else is at home because one, it reduces the number of children who are traveling on public transportation because most of them are home. So really and truly, Marcus Garvey will be one of the few high schools that actually have children traversing. The other thing that we have done is that we also have far more space than some schools. We also have ensured that our students come on a rotation basis of vertical rotation or day-to-day rotation. The children come based on the subjects that they have paid for as well. So if you've not paid for a particular subject on that particular day, you may not necessarily be coming in. So we monitor the numbers. We have a very rigorous safety and security system that is here. And we've also learned a few things from last year, June and July.